Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. On the website of NetBoard, you can see a notification from NBE regarding All India quota 50% scorecard, and you have an option to download the scorecard. This notice is available in two languages, Hindi and English. Let me switch over to English so everybody can understand. So as on date 8th of January, they put a notification that scorecard for NEET PG 2021 All India 50% quota seat is available, and you have an option to download the scorecard. It will have your category, your All India quota 50% rank, All India quota 50% category quota rank. Means if you come under OBC, come under EWS, SC ST, according to that you will have All India ranking. And let's try to understand what that is. So the result got declared on 28th of September. Okay, and then you had a scorecard that you downloaded. So you need to keep the existing scorecard because that will be applicable for your state quota counseling. Okay. MCC conducts the counseling process, and for that counseling process you need All India quota, All India 50% quota scorecard. So let's come to the point directly. The eligibility criteria and the cutoff mark, there is no change in that. There is nothing to get confused. There is just only one thing. You need to download this scorecard, which will be valid for All India quota, and based on this scorecard only you will have your category rank. Okay, so point number 5, or yeah, the point number 7, All India 50% quota scorecard mentions there are two things newly added. All India 50% quota rank, this is an overall merit position of the candidate among all the candidates who have appeared for NEET PG 2021 after applying tiebreaker criteria and are eligible for All India 50% quota seats. The candidates who are coming from Jammu and Kashmir are not yet eligible for All India quota 50% seats, so they have been removed, and ultimately the rank will go little pushed up, means it will improve if you try to match with previous rank and All India 50% quota rank. Okay, because those candidates who are not eligible for All India 50% quota seat have not been considered, and your rank is calculated, your position is calculated, your merit position is calculated based on all the candidates who are eligible for All India 50% quota seat, and is valid for All India 50% quota MDMS postgraduate diploma of 2020 admission only. This is very important point. It's valid for All India 50% quota MDMS admission only, because those candidates who were belonging to Jammu and Kashmir, they are not included in All India quota 50%. I will show you that point as well. So you can see in point number 3, candidates who have studied past from Jammu and Kashmir are not eligible for All India 50% quota seat for 2021 admission session. Okay, that's where they are not included in this complete list of candidates among which your rank is calculated. So definitely your All India NEET rank, All India NEET PG rank and All India 50% quota rank will be different. Okay, because in All India 50% quota rank Jammu Kashmir candidates are not included. Now coming to the second point, which is All India 50% quota category rank. So this is overall merit of the candidate in the OBC SC ST category. Okay, EWS is not considered here as opted by the candidate in NEET PG. So based on your criteria category that opted in the NEET PG 2021 registration, you opted for OBC, SC or ST. So based on that, so they counted total number of candidates who opted for OBC, for example, and among those candidates excluding Jammu and Kashmir candidates, what is your category rank? So that's your All India quota category rank, and is valid for All India 50% quota MDMS postgraduate diploma course for 2021 admission session only. So it's very clear now. Let me summarize. the previous scorecard is also important. You need to keep it with you, because if you're going for open state counseling or your state domicile state counseling for government colleges or private colleges, okay, or CPS, FCPS, NB diploma, okay, so your NEET scorecard which you had till now will be valid, and this one, which is the new scorecard you are going to download, it will be valid only for all India quota 50%. So it's very clear, there is no other change with this notification. You should not misunderstand that there is change in the cutoff and all. The cutoff reduction will happen mostly after second round of completion. It won't happen now. Okay, so there should not be any confusion. Okay, so with this I'm going to conclude the video, and we will meet again with some other important update. And I will also create a video for the FAQ. Many candidates have been getting same questions, and I posted just a short while back the expected cutoff of DNV, so you can also look at that in the channel. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day.